Log in FMC using admin user credential. Take a full configuration backup of both the FMC and the managed FTD devices before doing anything. Selected FTD, then first download the correct software package from the Cisco Software Central, upload it under System Greater Than Updates on the FMC. Ensure your FMC is upgraded to a version equal to or higher than the target FTD version. FTD 7.6.4 version download running at stake 15 minutes based on resources. Copy firmware image FMC to FTD local disk. Check readiness. Find the uploaded package in System Greater Than Updates, click the install icon, select your target FTD device or high availability, PA, pair, and run. If required, go to Message Center, then Tasks to verify that all pre-checks pass successfully without errors. Select the target devices again, click Install, and confirm the prompt. Note that the firewall will reboot to complete the process, which can take 30 to 60 minutes.